Yo, first and foremost, please don't be mad at me. I had to do this. I had to, like, it just lined up perfectly. I had to do it. What's up, guys? Mike from Slowspeed. Now, I know no one was expecting this. I know. I recently purchased my 435 BMW. I've been enjoying it so far, but the opportunity arrived. I got them for great price. Like, honestly, you wouldn't believe how much I paid for them. But I think I'm gonna take the channel in a new direction. Like I said, I got my 435 not too long ago, and I also purchased 2 BMW M's. Now, I know you're thinking, what the hell, like, how much did you pay? And I'll get into that, how much I paid. Am I keeping the 435? Yes, I'm keeping the 435. Wow. This is now the 435 stock puts out 300 horsepower with the MPPK or performance pack. You put out about 320. My goal was to get, like, starting off like 400 wheel horsepower plus, and I'll just let you guys see. Guys, here's the 2 M's that I bought. No, I tried to make you guys think that I bought M, like M4, M3, like that kind of M. I paid like $2 for these. I got them on eBay. They look official. Look like they got them from the BMW dealership. I got them from like freaking Uganda or something. I don't know. I got them on eBay. It's like $2, $2 and change. I actually bid for these in the like the auctions. I wanted to buy it now, but it was cheaper to bid, and I actually won the bid, which is weird because I think at the dealership they charge you so much more for these M's. Now, if you haven't clicked off this video now, because I'm like, that was like the king of clickbaits right there. Like, I applaud myself for that. Like, I applaud myself for that. This was better than the time when I put the VRSF on the car when it was stock, and I didn't have any VRSF parts on it for like a day, but I did it. This is a quick video. I'm probably not even gonna upload this within the within the Wednesday and Sunday thing. It's probably just gonna be like an extra bonus video that I threw in just because it's so cheesy and so clickbaity. But we're gonna install these. These are not M4, any kind of M badges. These are like just regular M badges. And before you say anything, Michael, I know I don't own an M4. I know I don't own an M3. I know I don't own an M5, M2, whatever. Many ways to argue this. I have the M Sport package. That's why I got these badges. On the 2017, 2018 440s or the 428s, these badges come on the side anyway. M Sport package. If you look in the interior of these cars, which I will show you now, I will point out to you all the M badging. So, showing you now. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but those are all the M badges on the car. They look exactly like the M, like the M5 and 4. And I feel like these would be a nice little addition. Now, horsepower wise, each of these add about 25 horsepower per side. You need to make sure that it's balanced, because if not, if I get this one perfectly fine and I get that one a little crooked, it'll pull a little bit to the right. I definitely cut my hair. Like, I did it myself. How does it look? Don't, like, rag me on it, but it's a quick cut. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna get onto it. Peace. The tools we're gonna need. So the tools we're gonna need for this install is isopropyl alcohol, which came a long way. I've mounted like so many things with this one bottle of alcohol. Shout out to my sponsor. You know who you are. You let me borrow this alcohol and you never took it back. So, you lost my game. A cloth. And the M. Now, I think the M's are the same direction, so you can't screw up like that. Now, give me 1 second. I'm gonna look online to see where the M's exactly are on the M Sport 440. So give me like 1 second. it's pretty much gonna go like right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bit above. I'm gonna try my best to do that. So let's do it. So I don't know exactly where the camera stopped at, but whatever. This video's not that serious, so looks pretty even to me. I'm just gonna push it on. And there you go. I'm officially riced out. Officially riced out. So I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I don't even like it that much. I really don't. Thought I would. Well, there you guys go. I don't know. I really don't like it as much as I thought I would, to be 100% honest with you. It may come off. It was only $2, so I don't have that big of a problem with it. But Mike from Slowspeed, like, comment, subscribe, share. Definitely share this video if you think it's funny. And I'm out of here. Peace.